First, we want to go over to our storage. Go over to your storage by clicking on the settings, tap on general, and here you want to go ahead and tap on iPhone storage. If you have a lot of app right here that you currently not using, you can go ahead and delete most of those apps. And better still, if you have too much of large video file on your phone, you can as well go ahead and delete those files. This is the basic first step. The second step that we need to do is to go back to your settings again and come over to general. Here you want to go ahead and check your software update. If there are any updates right here, you should go ahead and update your iPhone. And better still, always turn on your automatic update, because most of the time Apple are going to fix the issues and bugs through their updates. The next issue that can possibly make your phone to be lagging is your battery health. You want to go back to your settings again and click on battery. You want to go ahead and click on battery health and charge it. If your battery is too old, like this battery already is 76%, anything below 80% is not good for your phone already. But most of the time, if your battery is too old, it can as well cause your phone to be laggy. The next possible thing that we can do is to turn off some visual effects. You want to go back to your settings once more. Once you're here, you want to come back to accessibility. On the accessibility, you want to click on motion. By switching on this motion, it can make your phone to be quicker when opening and switching between apps on your iPhone. The other setting we can possibly take is to try and reset our iPhone. We are not going to delete our videos or files. You want to go back to your settings again. On your settings, you want to go to general, scroll down to the bottom of this page and come back to where it says transfer or reset your iPhone. Once you click on that, you're going to be on this tab. You want to go ahead and click on reset. We are not going to delete anything for our phone. We are just going to reset the phone to the default setting. If you click on the reset, it's basically going to reset your iPhone to the default setting. This method can as well help to boosting up the performances of your iPhone without deleting your files, your videos, and your pictures. And if any of these steps didn't work, didn't help, your phone is still lagging, the last thing you can possibly do is to go ahead and restart your iPhone. A quick restart can clear temporary problems and help your phone run more smoothly. And I believe if you try most of this method, most of these steps that I walk you through on this phone, your phone might start running faster than before. See you on my next video. Peace.